I think we had 6 grounds of appeal. One of the major ones had to do with whether I could continue having ABC withdrawn from the tribunal, which was one of the significant areas that they dismissed the entire tribunal in the first instance. This is significant because the appeal court turned it around and said that I can continue in my own right. And I think that's important for every candidate who goes through a very, very tedious and expensive election. So this was ruled in everyone. I think that was very, very good. On other grounds of evidence and some other issues, we gained some, we lost some. Overall, they said that we are total appeal lack made because we did not do certain things, and that's for the judiciary. So we'll take a look at it and then decide what next to do. But overall, I think the significant ground that we made has given me satisfaction that we were right to go to appeal in the first place.
Sir, the appeal court actually said that faulted some of the judgment of the tribunal, and actually said that you didn't quite spell what you wanted. So can you please react to that?
So that's what I'll have to look at, because what the appeal court has done is narrow down and show that there were certain errors at the tribunal stage. Now, whether we missed the opportunity there or not is something that we'll have to take a look at. But overall, I think that's significant to show that it was right for us to come to appeal, and it probably is right for us to pursue it all the way to Supreme Court. Because with each time that we go through one of these exercises, we see where errors have been made and where improvement can be made to the entire system. So overall, I think I'm satisfied.
Mr. Cole, expatiate on your issue 1, which was granted in your favor. What was the ground that you were sticking? Because facts are saying that the party had actually filed an application to withdraw its petition at the lower court.
That's a major one, because parties and individuals, candidates that run for elections, vote jointly, but they also have their own individual rights. At the tribunal, it was claimed that because APC as a party had withdrawn from proceeding in that tribunal, that I had no merit, no grounds, no reason to stand. And I think that was fundamentally wrong by the tribunal, because it affects everybody who is running for elections moving forward. So this was very, very significant. If we have done something for democracy as a whole, this judgment that has been overturned by the appeal court has affirmed that democracy, individual democracy, is critical, and I'm very happy with that. I'm happy that we got that done.
So you have the backing of the party in this appeal?
We've always had the backing of the party, but that's another story. That's politics on the ground, so let's leave that.
All right, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, it's another win for you at the courts.
Shall we say it's another win for the truth? Because the truth of the matter is that in Rivers State, PDP is firmly on ground, well loved by people. And this they have demonstrated time and again, and that is what we have found. And as for the petition and the tribunal's verdict, they were a reflection of the facts that inadequacy presented by the people. So we thank our colleagues on this side of the aisle for demonstrating professionalism. And we thank the tribunal, the Court of Appeal, for doing justice by all the parties.
Do you have some concerns, sir, because the appeal court actually faulted some of the judgments of the tribunal?
No, I do not. I mean, what I had the tribunal say, what the Court of Appeal said was that it's not proper to dismiss the petition in limine on the ground that the APC had withdrawn. But the tribunal nonetheless proceeded to consider the petition on the merit and dismissed it as if the APC was still the party. So I have no concern about that. And what the Court of Appeal did was to say you were wrong. But then let us look at the facts. And when they look at the facts, they found that the judgment cannot be stopped.
All right, thanks so much. Can we have your name again?
My name is Ife Dayo. But you pay for that.
This judgment has once again put hope back to the people of Rivers State. We now believe in the judiciary, as we have always have firm belief for the judiciary, that they will uphold justice and fairness. The judgment is flawless, and the justices of this court have done justice to the case. I think this will to rest all the ambiguities that people were thinking about, And I want to use this as an opportunity to appeal to our brothers, those who feel like it, that they will join hands with the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Sir Fubara, to build a great and veritable state in Rivers State. There's no need for this academic exercise like the court said. So it is time for us to build Rivers State, come together, unite as a people. And this is our appeal to them. I want to thank the justices for this job and the bench for what they did.
Sir, would you say this has been put to rest because the judges actually mentioned that because the APC didn't quite spell out what in some of the cases, that is why they dismissed it. So what if they come back reinforced?
In every jurisprudence, there are issues, there are technicalities, and there are things you bring before the court for mention. So if you did not outline something clearly before the court, it will mention it that you didn't align that. That does not mean that makes your case a case that will be able to win the case or not. But if you know you have a solid case, you take it before the judiciary. But when you know the court said that you cannot put something on nothing, the judge said it clearly. So it's not like we are trying to undermine their legal team. What we are saying is that there was no need for this time wasted. And like the court said, academic exercise. Let's come together and build our state. We have a veritable state. We have a governor that is working, and his projects and policies are people-oriented. Rivers State is ready for investors, and we are ready for the world. And we want to move the state beyond where we met it. We want to also use this opportunity to thank our national leader, the Minister for FCT, for all the support. I want to encourage him to do more. And we also want to encourage the governor to continue doing his work.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thanks.